guys, Shamil Drones here. First of all, I want to say happy Father's Day. Today's Father's Day. Purpose of this video, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of, sorry about the camera movement. Just actually got a job today I kind of forgot about. Just got the reminder. I forgot to take you guys on a job with me. Quick disclaimer, you cannot do any of these jobs, any drone jobs for any monetary reason without a Part 107 through the FAA. I do have my Part 107 with the FAA, so I'm good. But just for you guys that don't know or don't have your license yet, that maybe that does have a drone, you cannot do any jobs until you get your Part 107. It is illegal to fly and do jobs without it. So, if you get caught, there's ways to find out. They're trying to get this remote ID thing. I think I'm not sure exactly how that works yet. I still have to do my research on it. But, somebody could report you or whatever. Who knows? You might have a hater. But just wanted to let you guys know, because you can get hit with a heavy fine from the FAA, anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars. So you definitely want to be careful with that. You don't want to play around with that. I can do another video as far as like how to get your license and how to study, what to study and stuff like that. If you guys want, put it in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe. Thank you. Like, subscribe, rate. Just forgot to let you guys know that. Don't make that mistake. I've heard of a couple guys who have and are paying thousands of dollars to the FAA right now. All right, so here we have the Mavic 2 Zoom. This is the bird I will be flying today. I also have the Mavic 2 Pro right here. So we got that bird as well. Just checking software updates and stuff like that, making sure I'll be able to fly once I get to the job site. You always want to make sure you check for software update, because you don't want to get to the job site and not be able to go up. That would be terrible. You have to reschedule and everything, and that's, who wants to do that? So real quick, I'm just going to check the software and I'll be right back. Okay, back here, the Mavic 2 Zoom is all updated, ready to go. Mavic 2 Pro right next to it. Got both the cases, all the wires, filters, and adaptation tools to go with it, extra props. That's what I take on the job with me. One thing I would say is essential also is nice to have a vest. I got this vest off of Amazon. You can look up drone pilot vests, one about maybe $15, $20, something like that. Got these patches off of Amazon as well. I had this one custom made for my name, and then the drone pilot. This is actually Velcro, so that can come off. I actually have two of these as well. It came with a couple. Added on some extra, make it look a little bit nice. But on the back, it does say FAA licensed commercial drone pilot, do not disturb. Yeah, this vest right here definitely helps when you're on the job. And you definitely, especially with a drone, you get a lot of people that are curious, curious bystanders. You got some people that are interested that come up and ask about the drone, ask you what you're doing and stuff like that. If you're on a job, you don't want to be disturbed. This will definitely kind of steer some people away. Although some people, are curious enough, they will still come up and ask, even with it on. But it does do justice, and it also makes you look a little bit more official while you're on the job as well. This job today that we're going to be doing is through DroneBase, one of many companies that I work with. Not going to get into much about them in this video, but the scope of the job is, I believe it's like an insurance claim or something like that. I'm going to take cardinal images. That's pretty much a shot from each cardinal direction, pretty much north, northwest, south, southwest, east, east-west, stuff like that. So taking about 9 photos is probably going to take me about 20 minutes. Shouldn't take too long at all. DroneBase doesn't really pay too much for these 9 photos. It's about 7 miles away from my house. They were paying like $50. I think the most I've gotten paid through a drone-based job, it was a commercial real estate shoot. They were building a warehouse, and they wanted me to get the beginnings, the guys putting up the frame and stuff like that right before the warehouse was done. So I did that for about $145. Took me about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, no longer than that. Real easy. Had to get a couple creative shots, get cardinal shots, get a back away, a lift and back away shot, those type of shots. But it was real easy. You know, I wish it would have more jobs like that. I tried to request a little raise on this job, you know, based on the scope and how far it was. You know, sometimes they do it, sometimes they don't, you know, but you never know if you ask. So I asked, and you gotta know, but at least now I know. So we're gonna get ready to go, and I will see you guys on the job site. So before I leave, I'm just gonna change my filter real fast. These clients don't want, you know, any polarized filters on or anything like that. They want a regular raw image. What they do is they take it and they edit it, or they do what they will themselves. I don't edit any of these pictures for these clients. I just take the photos and send them in. So I will be changing the filter back to it's a CPL. It's a circular polarized lens. It doesn't really have any effect on the picture that they will be able to tell. As far as like anybody who knows about it, it will just make the picture clearer. It will have less glare on anything that shows a reflection, so everything comes out nice, crisp, and clear. So I'm just changing that real quick, and that's that. By the way, these filters that I'm using are from Freewell. You can get them right off the website. I got mine off of Amazon. These are Freewell filters. More of the high quality ones. You can get some off-brand ones that are kind of cheap, and the glass isn't really, you know, polarized, or it's not really filtering anything. So these, you know, definitely want to check them out. Freewell. If you guys are interested in the filters, I will be putting the link in the description, so check that out. So for the privacy of the clients, I did not do an on-site shoot. Sorry guys. I do have a job coming up on July 3rd that I will be doing through a different client. I think it's like Droners IO. Actually gonna get into a meeting with the lady just right after I hop off of this, figure out exactly what she wants. I will be doing an on-site shoot for that. I will have footage of me doing that job. That job is gonna last about 4 hours. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Shamil Drones out.